Hello once again, and today replying to one question on the fear of not reaching up to one's own standards. Um, Actually, a very tricky question because the first of all, I would like you to concentrate or focus on the word standard. What is a standard? Okay, so we have this ISI mark which says that certain products should have an ISI mark. Having ISI mark is a good quality product. But when it comes to people, I don't know what is a standard because there is no standard. I can be best the way I want to be, and you can be best the way you want to be. So when you set standards for yourself, what is it? I mean, I would like to call it goals. I would like to call it this is the aim of my life. But standard itself, when you say that, it confuses you. It binds you down to something. This is it or nothing else. Now, the biggest problem here is that human being is constantly evolving. Okay, and if you are evolving, you cannot be set to one particular thing. So as we go through life, we are exposed to life in different forms. In that process, we also keep evaluating ourselves as we keep growing. Now as we are growing and evaluating, we start valuing different things in life. At maybe as a child, I would be very much interested in, rather than interested, attracted towards maybe owning a Jaguar a day, someday. But when I grow up and I see that one of the vehicles which I'm driving, it gives me as much happiness, I may not have the desire to have a Jaguar anymore. So if I make a Jaguar the standard of something, then that is going to create a confusion for me. So I would not like to use the word standard. I would like to say that goals. Maybe I set goals for myself and I may have fear that if I'm not able to reach them. Now, the essential criterias about goals, if you set goals, the goals is supposed to have certain criteria so that you can work on it. So it should be time bound, it should be clearly defined what you want, and time bound is a very important thing. And they say that the goal should be smart. I mean, you must have read it on net so many times. These goals should be smart, and SMART stands for five different things. So one of the criterias here is it's time bound. Means, say I would say that by the age of so and so, I should be able to achieve or reach this and this. Okay, now that is a goal, but it should also be approachable. Now, if I want to make an approachable goal, I really need to make a very good analysis of myself and understand and accept myself as I am. I can always progress, I can always go ahead from that, but if I do not have the aptitude for sports, and if I keep a goal for myself that one day I should get some XYZ medal in gold in one of the sports, then the problem is that I may not be able to achieve it because maybe I am made for music, I'm not made for sports. So, uh, aptitude is another thing which I really want you to understand when you set goals for yourself or set standards for yourself. Is we are all made for different things. Hard work will help us achieve great things in life, but in which field depends upon what we are made for. As we have seen many good singers who have actually never taken any singing lessons, but they have it in them, so they can actually dream of achieving great heights in music if they take certain lessons. Some people can use technology. There's some children who are using technology at the age of 10, 15. I have heard someone who set up a multi-million dollar industry, technology industry, at the age of 15 years. And I'm 50 and I still have a lot of challenge in when it comes to actually understanding so many small things about technology. This doesn't mean that there's something wrong with me. It just means that I am made for something else. So what standards do we set for ourselves, what goals do we set for ourselves is very important, because before setting the goals, normally people set the goals or have this standard thing looking at other people. Okay, so my neighbor had this and this and I always wanted to achieve that, they have that thing. My so and so cousin was selected at Harvard, so I should also be selected at Harvard. Now that's quite misleading. You have set yourself that Harvard is the standard, but maybe you are calling it your standard, but maybe it's something because you were attracted towards someone else's something that you thought that I should become that. I would say that let us set goals for ourselves to become the better version of ourselves every single time. So that we can do. That's always possible. So if I'm a counselor, can I become a better counselor? If I'm a speaker, can I become a better speaker? If I'm a mother, can I become a better mother? That's very difficult, but I can always try. So this standard thing, if you have set something for yourself which in its root itself is not about you, then you will always have doubt about achieving it, and hence fear and anxiety would always be there. So analyze yourself and do share with me.